What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and today I have the OnePlus 6. That's right, in silk white. This thing's a beauty, as you saw from the opening video. The speed you need. This thing's an absolute stunner. So we're gonna open this sucker up without any further avail, as my Project 13 says. Aha, look at that. Take a look at this. Wow. That is an absolute stunner. Look at the color on that. Wow. She's an absolute beauty, as you all know. This is more like a, the back is real smooth, a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna be. And she's an absolute stunner. The sides are, they say rose gold, but it's more like a copperish, brass, goldish, pinkish. But the color's pretty nice, man. Real nice color. Wow, that's an impressive looking device. That white is nice. I like the texture on it. It's real smooth. Here's the midnight black, as you can see, to compare the two. And then the fronts. Yeah, but these are really, man, OnePlus is really nice, made some nice devices. But man, she looks like an absolute beauty. I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys to kind of check it out. But my first impressions are, man, the back is it's like real smooth, real smooth. So yeah, man, we're gonna check this out, the silk white OnePlus. So this is a nice looking device. I'm gonna be checking it out the next few days. Really impressive with the texture on it and the color. Real beauty. Follow me on Twitter at AndroidStud, Google+, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Yeah, man, silk white, OnePlus 6. She's a beauty.